Sedentarism is a huge problem in today's world, and weak muscles might be doing more damage than just making it harder to carry groceries or climb stairs. What if we told you that muscle weakness could actually be hurting your brain? That's right, studies now show that muscles can be linked to slower brain function, reduced focus, and a higher risk of cognitive decline. It sounds surprising, but it's true, and the good news is, you can do something about it. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating science of how your muscles and brain are connected. Welcome to Levitas. Weak muscles may seem like a purely physical problem, but they can actually have a profound impact on brain health. Muscle strength and brain health are interconnected through various pathways, and when muscle mass is low, your brain can suffer. Weak muscles reduce your body's efficiency in circulating blood and oxygen, which can directly impact brain function. Muscles act as a metabolic engine that supports blood flow and nutrient distribution. When muscle strength is compromised, blood flow to the brain can also be reduced, leading to lower oxygen levels and nutrient supply. Weak muscles also release fewer myokines, beneficial proteins that travel from muscles to the brain, impacting neurogenesis, or the growth of new brain cells. Reduced myokine levels mean fewer signals that encourage brain cells to grow and adapt, which can eventually lead to slower cognitive processes. As we'll explore, maintaining muscle mass is more than just about physical strength. It's essential for optimal brain health and brain performance. Having weak muscles can interfere with the brain's insulin sensitivity, which is essential for clear thinking and efficient mental processing. Insulin isn't just involved in blood sugar regulation. It's also a key player in how brain cells receive and use energy. When muscles are strong, they use glucose effectively, improving overall insulin sensitivity. But with poor muscle mass, insulin sensitivity declines, affecting not just muscle cells, but also brain cells. This decline can lead to higher blood sugar levels, which is known to damage blood vessels, including those that nourish the brain. Additionally, low muscle mass disrupts the body's ability to clear out excess insulin and glucose, contributing to chronic inflammation. This type of inflammation can damage brain cells and is a well-known risk factor for conditions like Alzheimer's disease, or in other words, dementia. Essentially, maintaining muscle mass not only stabilizes blood sugar but also keeps the brain's energy supply chain in good health, helping reduce the risk of cognitive impairments down the line. Exercise is not only crucial for the muscles and heart, it's also important for brain circulation and perfusion, which is the process of delivering oxygen-rich blood to brain tissues. Physical activity, particularly strength training, strengthens muscles, and this boost in muscle mass aids the heart and vascular system in efficiently circulating blood throughout the body, including to the brain. When muscles are engaged, blood flow increases, leading to better oxygen and nutrient supply to the brain. Regular movement keeps the blood vessels in good shape, which means they can more easily transport essential nutrients to brain cells. This increased circulation also helps remove toxins and waste products from the brain, which is essential for maintaining cognitive health. Studies have shown that people who exercise regularly have better memory, sharper focus, and a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases. So, physical activity does more than just build muscles. It sustains a steady flow of nutrients and oxygen to your brain, ensuring it can perform at its best. Muscle strength is not just about physical power, it plays a significant role in cognitive function too. Research shows that individuals with greater muscle strength, especially as they age, tend to have better cognitive health. Muscle contractions stimulate the release of beneficial hormones and proteins that communicate with the brain and promote mental sharpness. For example, myokines, the proteins released by muscles during movement, have been linked to better memory and learning abilities. Moreover, stronger muscles are associated with lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone that, in high amounts, can impair memory and cognitive function. People with weak muscles often experience higher levels of fatigue and stress, both of which impact brain health. By focusing on building and maintaining muscle strength, we're not only boosting physical capacity but also giving our brain the support it needs to stay resilient, sharp, and capable. One of the most exciting benefits of resistance training is its ability to boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This is often called the fertilizer for the brain. BDNF is a protein that helps grow and maintain brain cells, crucial for memory, learning, and overall cognitive function. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which can help improve attention, focus, and mental clarity. When we challenge our muscles, we encourage the brain to adapt, forming stronger and more efficient neural connections. Additionally, resistance training reduces stress levels and boosts endorphins, natural mood enhancers. This mental boost enhances focus, productivity, and resilience, making it easier to concentrate on tasks and remain calm in stressful situations. So, adding resistance training to your routine is not just about building physical strength. It's also a powerful tool for enhancing mental acuity, emotional balance, and overall brain health. Now we know that weak muscles can have serious effects on your brain health. But, could they also affect your neurotransmitter balance? Yes. Weak muscles can also disrupt neurotransmitter balance, affecting mood, motivation, and mental clarity. When muscles are underutilized, the production of critical neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin can decline. Dopamine is linked to motivation and pleasure, while serotonin plays a major role in mood stability. Without regular movement and muscle engagement, levels of these neurotransmitters can drop, leading to issues like anxiety, depression, and decreased motivation. Conversely, exercising and strengthening muscles stimulate the release of these feel-good neurotransmitters, improving overall mental well-being. Physical activity also promotes the release of endorphins, which reduce stress and enhance mood. Weak muscles, by lacking stimulation, don't send as many positive signals to the brain, resulting in a less balanced neurotransmitter environment. Prioritizing muscle health and regular activity is therefore crucial, not only for physical resilience, but also for mental and emotional well-being. In conclusion, maintaining strong, healthy muscles is critical for supporting optimal brain function and overall mental well-being. Weak muscles are often underestimated as a solely physical issue, but they have the ability to affect the brain's health by impairing blood flow and nutrient supply, both of which are essential for cognitive performance. With reduced muscle mass, few myokines are released and even fewer reach the brain, limiting its ability to regenerate and grow new cells, which is essential for cognitive resilience and mental agility. Additionally, when your muscles are weak, insulin sensitivity throughout the body and brain declines, leading to elevated blood sugar, insulin resistance, metabolic issues, and chronic inflammation, all of which represent risk factors for cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases, like dementia. Regular exercise, particularly strength training, enhances circulation, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the brain while helping remove toxins. This consistent nutrient flow is vital for memory, focus, and long-term cognitive health. Muscle strength is also tied to neurotransmitter balance. Without regular movement, dopamine and serotonin levels can drop, resulting in diminished motivation and mood stability. Resistance training, on the other hand, boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, the fertilizer of the brain, which promotes the growth of new brain cells and enhances attention, focus, and learning. Ultimately, a proactive approach to building and maintaining muscle strength is not just a path to physical vitality, but also a powerful defense against cognitive decline, mood disorders, and the complex interplay of brain health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.